Hello, welcome everybody. Today we'll see how to back up your Blackberry handset contacts to a Microsoft Outlook. First, you open your Blackberry desktop software. Also, you connect your Blackberry set with your computer by using USB. Sync all, the green light, and it shows Blackberry 8700. That means your device is ready to synchronize. Then you choose yes. After that, you need to configure. We configure the contacts settings one way to your computer only. Select, and it's Windows contact or Outlook. It should be Outlook. Configure Outlook, close, and then OK. Let's see our Outlook. Here there is no contacts. Let's do it. Sync, synchronize them. When all the contracts download to your Outlook Express, you can further export your data to different kind of format like Excel or any other format. However, the sync is on process, or the downloading is on process. It is telling you the sync process will add 1034 contracts in your Outlook access. Do you like to sync? Yep, I like to sync. Click the sync button. Sync is all the way. This is one kind of synchronization or download your contacts. Synchronize summary complete. Organize data complete. Okay, fine. Let's open our Outlook. Yep, we got all the contacts here. Yep, you see? Okay, fine. This way we can download all the contacts to our Outlook Express. Another way we may backup our contacts, like device here, from there, or from the welcome screen. Backup now. If we select custom and address book, okay, then the file name Blackberry blah 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 will be stored on download Blackberry backup file, your download folder. Or if you like the full Blackberry phone, you like to backup, then also you can backup it, like by clicking here. The backup is on the process. Backing up quick contacts for complete. Backup is complete. Close. Let's check the download folder. Here's the file, which one X extension BBB. One thing I must share with you: how to export your data to an Excel file. This is the process. Click File, then Export. Then you choose Export to a file. Then hit Next. Excel 97 to 2003. Only contacts. We only export contacts. Next. Browse my documents. Contacts. Okay. Next. Just click Finish. Exporting all your contacts from Outlook Express to a Excel file. That's all. Let's check our Excel file. Here, let's click it. There is our Excel file, mybbcontacts.xls. All the name and contacts are here. Okay. Also, you can save this Excel file to anywhere, or backup this file to an online folder like Google or Microsoft. However, thank you for watching. Bye bye.